Hello everyone, welcome to today's session on direct and indirect speech. I am Gurpreet Kaur, English mistress working at Government Senior Secondary Smart School, Civil Lines, Patiala. So let's start. Here are some examples. I play baseball with my friends. What did she say? She said that she plays baseball with her friends. Examples ਵੇਖ ਕੇ clear ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਹੋਣਾ। ਅੱਜ ਅਸੀਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ direct and indirect speech ਦੀ। It's going to be an interesting topic today. So let's proceed with the topic. Direct speech. In direct speech, exact words are spoken by the person and they are enclosed with quotation marks or inverted commas. For example, my mother said, I am going to the market. Saroj said to me, our teacher has started a new lesson. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖੋਗੇ ਕਿ ਦੋਨਾਂ sentences ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ inverted commas use ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ ਔਰ ਜੋ ਕਿਹਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ ਉਹੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਸਪੀਚ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟ ਵਰਡਸ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਐਕਚੁਅਲ ਵਰਡਸ ਕਹੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਪਰਸਨ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਐਗਜ਼ੈਕਟ ਵਰਡਸ ਹੀ ਉਸ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋਣਗੇ। Secondly, they are enclosed with the inverted commas और उस sentence दे विच quotation marks और inverted commas present होंगे। Direct speech has a reporting verb. It means it conveys the action of speaking. Reporting verb conveys the action of speaking. Direct speech is also called reported speech, reporting what someone says. Direct speech, reported speech होंदी है report करदा है कोई की कह रहा है। Let's take an example. My mother said, I am going to the market. इस सेंटेंस विच रिपोर्टिंग वर्ब said है क्योंकि ये एक्शन दिखा रहा है बोलन दा एक्शन स्पीकिंग दा एक्शन मदर इज सेइंग सो said is the reporting verb. मदर ने कहा I am going to the market. उसनू हूबहू उसे तरह बोलिया गया। मदर ने जो भी किया एग्जैक्ट एक्चुअल वर्ड्स आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट एक है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है व्हाट समवन सेज मदर सेज आई एम गोइंग टू द मार्केट एग्जैक्ट एक्चुअल वही वर्ड्स यूज हो रहे हैं सो दिस इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच। We come to indirect speech now. In case of indirect speech, actual words are transformed and there is no use of inverted commas or quotation marks. So, you can see an example on the screen. My mother said that she was going to the market. Direct speech की सी My mother said I am going to the market. Second sentence Saroj told me that our teacher had started a new lesson. की नोट किता तुसी ध्यान नाल देखो कोई इन्वर्टेड कॉमा नहीं है टेंस चेंज हो गई है एंड कंजंक्शन दैट इज यूज्ड। I hope subject object words are not new to you. हर sentence विच एक subject होवेगा ਅਤੇ ਇੱਕ object. Like sentence given is my mother said to me. Here mother is subject and me is object. Person doing action is subject. Mother ने कहा, mother बोल रही है, it means mother is the subject. Other person at the receiving end, जिन्हों कहा जा रहा है वो की है ऑब्जेक्ट. सो इस सेंटेंस ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ मदर सब्जेक्ट है, मी ऑब्जेक्ट है. Concept of first person, second person and third person are very important for converting direct speech into indirect speech. ਤੁਸੀਂ first person, second person, third person ਬਾਰੇ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ? ਚਲੋ ਵੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ. You can see Riya, Meetu and Mohit on the screen. ਹੁਣ ਇਹ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪਤਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਰੀਆ ਫਰਸਟ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੈ, ਮੀਤੂ ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੈ, ਮੋਹਿਤ ਥਰਡ ਪਰਸਨ ਹੈ? ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕ੍ਰਮਵਾਰ ਖੜੇ ਹਨ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਰਸਟ ਪਰਸਨ, ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਪਰਸਨ, ਥਰਡ ਪਰਸਨ ਕਿਹਾ? No, not at all. Let me explain you. Suppose Riya says to Meetu, Mohit is an intelligent boy. Riya is the speaker, so she is first person. Meetu is listener, so she is second person. And Riya is talking about Mohit, so Mohit is third person. Now we will learn various types of pronouns. As you can see, there are subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive adjectives, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns. ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ direct ਨੂੰ indirect speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ change ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, we need to know all these pronouns. For first person you use I. For I am talking about subject pronouns. For first person you use I. For second person you is used. Third person जे मेल है he use होएगा. Third person female है ते she use होएगा. Third thing है, person नहीं है, thing है, it use होएगा. First person if plural, जे plural है first person we use होएगा. Second person जे plural है you use होएगा. थर्ड पर्सन और थिंग है और प्लूरल है दे यूज होएगा. ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउंस ਦੀ ਜੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ, ਫਰਸਟ ਪਰਸਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ me यूज ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਪਰਸਨ ਦੇ ਲਈ you यूज ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਥਰਡ ਪਰਸਨ ਇਫ ਮੇਲ him यूज ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਥਰਡ ਪਰਸਨ ਇਫ ਫੀਮੇਲ her यूज ਹੋਏਗਾ, ਥਰਡ ਥਿੰਗ ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ it. फर्स्ट पर्सन जे प्लूरल है us यूज होएगा, सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल है ते you यूज होएगा, थर्ड पर्सन एंड थिंग जे प्लूरल है them यूज होएगा. possessive adjectives, my is used for first person, your is used for second person, his for male third person and her for female third person. Its is used for third thing. Plural first person ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ are use ਹੋਏਗਾ. Plural second person ਦੇ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ your use ਹੋਏਗਾ. Third person and thing ਜੇ plural ਹੈ their use ਹੋਏਗਾ. Possessive pronouns. Mine is used for first person. Yours is used for second person. For third person male, his will be used. for third person female hers will be used. third thing ਦੇ ਲਈ ਕੁਝ ਵੀ यूज नहीं होएगा. फर्स्ट पर्सन प्लूरल है तो आर्स यूज होएगा. सेकंड पर्सन प्लूरल है योर्स यूज होएगा. थर्ड पर्सन एंड थिंग देयर्स यूज होएगा. रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउंस. myself will be used for first person, yourself for second person, third person मेल है तो himself यूज होएगा एंड थर्ड पर्सन फीमेल है तो herself यूज होएगा. थर्ड थिंग दे ਲਈ itself यूज होएगा. प्लूरल फर्स्ट पर्सन है तो ourselves यूज होएगा. प्लूरल सेकंड पर्सन है तो yourselves यूज होएगा. प्लूरल थर्ड पर्सन और थिंग है तो themselves यूज होएगा. So this list will help you to convert direct speech into indirect speech. And practice makes a man perfect. जिन्नी ज़्यादा तुसी practice करोगे direct speech ਨੂੰ indirect speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ convert ਕਰਨ ਦੀ going through this table, उन्नी ज़्यादा ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ efficiency आंदी जाएगी और automatically you can use these pronouns. Second step is to change the reporting verb. Reporting verb present form ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਤੇ past form ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਹੋ ਸਕਦਾ ਹੈ. See the table carefully. Direct speech, indirect speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ change ਆਏਗਾ? Say will remain say, says or say to will change into tells or tell. Said will remain said. Said to will be changed to told. Step 3 involves replacing inverted commas with conjunction that. Inverted commas हटा दो अते that लगा दो. Step 4 is changing pronouns. First person will change according to the subject. First person किदे according change होएगा? Subject दे according. Like my mother said I am going to the market. Subject की है my mother. First person is I. So I जेड़ा first person है change होएगा according to my mother जो कि subject है. Sentence will be my mother said that she was going to the market. And second person will change according to the object. My mother said to me, you are also going to the market. Here me is the object and you is the second person. So second person change होएगा object दे according. You change होएगा me दे according. Sentence will be my mother told me that I was also going to the market. My mother told me that I was also going to the market. If the reported speech is a universal truth or a habitual fact, then there will be no change in the tense, even though the reporting verb is in the past form. पिछली स्लाइड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੀ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ? Reporting verb if it is in future tense or present tense, then there will be no change in the tense. But in case reporting verb is in past form and ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ यूनिवर्सल ट्रुथ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ और कोई फैक्ट ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ है, फिर भी टेंस चेंज नहीं होएगा. ਈਵਨ ਦੋ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪਾਸਟ ਫਾਰਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, ਪਾਸਟ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ, ਫਿਰ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਟੈਂਸ ਚੇਂਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ because it includes a universal truth or a fact. In example 1, he said the earth revolves around the sun. पास्ट फॉर्म ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਰਿਪੋर्टिंग वर्ब, बट ਜਿਹੜੀ ਰਿਪੋਰਟਡ ਸਪੀਚ ਹੈ, ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਸਪੀਚ ਹੈ, ਸਟੇਟਮੈਂਟ ਹੈ ਦ ਅਰਥ ਰਿਵੋਲਵਸ ਅਰਾਊਂਡ ਦ ਸਨ, ਉਹ ਇੱਕ ਯੂਨੀਵਰਸਲ ਟਰੁਥ ਹੈ, ਸੱਚ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਕੋਈ ਚੇਂਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਟੈਂਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। He said that the earth revolves around the sun. In second example, I said the Indian summer is usually very hot. When it is changed into indirect speech, I said that the Indian summer is usually very hot. We have already discussed the cases where reporting verb is in future tense or present tense. Now we come for steps in case reporting verb is in past tense. Past form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ ਜੇ reporting verb, ਇੱਕ ਅਸੀਂ exception ਪਹਿਲੇ ਹੀ ਕਰ ਲਈ ਕਿ ਜੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ reported speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ universal truth ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ habitual fact ਹੋਏਗਾ ਤੇ tense change ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋਏਗਾ. But in other cases, let us look at the table given. Tense, present simple tense है, verb do does ਲੱਗਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, like for example I work hard. It will be changed to he said that he worked hard. Verb ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ed ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ और second form, so simple present is changed to simple past. Next comes present continuous tense. For example, I am working hard. It is changed into past continuous. He said that he was working hard. Past simple is changed into past perfect. Past simple change होएगा past perfect ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Like for example, I worked hard. He said that he had worked hard. Past continuous is changed into past perfect continuous. Like for example, I am working hard. He said that he had been working hard. Present perfect will be changed into past perfect. Example is I have worked hard. He said that he had worked hard. Present perfect continuous change हो जाएगा past perfect continuous ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ. Take for example, I have been working hard. He said that he had been working hard. Future simple will change into conditional. I will work hard. Change हो जाएगा he said that he would work hard. So question comes, what happens to these modal verbs in reported speech? Modal verbs ਜਿਹੜੇ reported speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੈ like can, will, should, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ change ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ? Direct speech ਨੂੰ ਜਦੋਂ indirect speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, reported speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, modal verbs ਕਿਵੇਂ change ਹੋਣਗੇ? So here is the table. Can will be changed into could. Will ਦਾ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ? Would. Should remains same, no change. Must change हो जाएगा had to. May if it is a possibility, this may happen, वो change हो जाएगा might if may is used as permission. Like you say may I come in ma'am, जे may permission ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ use ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ then it is changed to could. Shall in form of suggestion change हो जाएगा should. Shall in case of future change हो जाएगा would. I repeat because it is very important. Can, could, will, would, should remains the same, must, had to, may if it is used for possibility, might, may if it is used for permission, could, shall used for suggestion converts to should, shall used for future used to would. Now comes step 6. Step 6 involves changing time and place specific words. ਟੇਬਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੇਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਐਂਡ ਪਲੇਸ ਸਪੈਸਿਫਿਕ ਵਰਡਸ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. ਲੈਫਟ ਸਾਈਡ ਆਰ ਗਿਵਨ direct speech words and right side indirect speech. Direct speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜੇ ਇਹ ਵਾਲੇ words use ਹੋਣਗੇ these will be changed to indirect speech words. This, these change हो जाएगा that, those. Here will be changed to there. Now will be changed to then. Ago will be changed to before. Today will be changed to that day. Tonight will be changed to that night. Yesterday use हो रहा है direct speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ, reported speech ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ the day before or the previous day. Tomorrow change हो जाएगा the next day or the following day. Last week will be changed to the previous week. Next week will be changed to the following week. ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ use ਕਰੋਗੇ, ਜਿਵੇਂ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ practice ਕਰੋਗੇ, these will come automatically to you. Now let's apply the rules. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵੀ ਅਸੀਂ steps ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਆ, rules ਪੜ੍ਹੇ ਆ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ apply ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ. First example. Sarika said, I want to buy a laptop. Identify. First step was identify subject. Subject is Sarika. First person I. Tense is simple present. So reporting verb said will remain said. Inverted commas will be replaced with that. Pronoun I the she ban jayega. Tense simple present tense, simple past tense ban jayega. And verb the first form want to wanted हो जाएगी. So Sarika said that she wanted to buy a laptop. Change हो गया. Sarika said I want to buy a laptop. Sarika said that she wanted to buy a laptop. My friend said to me, I shall meet you tomorrow. Identify की करांगे subject, object, reporting verb, first person, second person and tense. Subject है my friend, object है me, reporting verb said to, first person I, second person you, tense is future indefinite. So by applying all the rules, it is changed to my friend told me that she would meet me the following day. My friend told me that she would meet me the following day. Ramesh said to Meena, the teacher is calling you now. Try to convert this into indirect speech. सारे rules follow करके ਇਹਨੂੰ चेंज ਕਰਨ ਦੀ ਕੋਸ਼ਿਸ਼ ਕਰੋ. Try it on our notebooks. ਪਹਿਲੇ underline करो subject, object, reporting verb, pronouns और tense ਨੂੰ. Done it? Have you identified like this? Identified subject, object, reporting verb and tenses. So the sentence is when it is changed into indirect speech, Ramesh told Meena that the teacher was calling her then. Another sentence, the gardener said to the principal, I have watered the plants. Try it out. कोशिश करो ਇਹਨੂੰ ਲਿਖਣ ਦੀ ਆਪਣੀ ਨੋਟਬੁक्स ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਆਇਡੈਂਟੀਫਾਈ ਕਰੋ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ, ਆਬਜੈਕਟ, ਰਿਪੋਰਟਿੰਗ ਵਰਬ, ਪ੍ਰੋਨਾउन, ਟੈਂਸ, ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰੋ। So it is changed to the gardener told the principal that he had watered the plants. Third example. My aunt said to me, I have bought a gift for you. Try this one also. Write it in your notebooks. My aunt told me that she had bought a gift for me. Example number 4. The boys said, we played the match yesterday. Change करो ਇਹਨੂੰ। The boys said that they had played the match the previous day. Home assignment for today. Listen to your parents attentively. Note down any 10 sentences spoken by them in the direct speech and then convert those sentences into indirect speech. अपने पेरेंट्स ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣੋ ਧਿਆਨ ਨਾਲ, ਜੋ ਵੀ ਉਹ ਬੋਲ ਰਹੇ ਹੈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਨੋਟ ਡਾਊਨ ਕਰੋ ਇਨ ਡਾਇਰੈਕਟ ਸਪੀਚ, ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਨਵਰਟ ਕਰੋ ਇਨ ਦ ਫਾਰਮ ਆਫ indirect speech following all the steps, following all the rules. Thank you. Have a nice day.